Alright then, last time we left off with the wing gaps. So as you can see, I haven't really done much more. I still have to file out this and file out this. And there's a wee bit needs adjusted at the front on the wing. See, it's not straight. So overall, I'm fairly happy with that, but I don't want to finalise things until I get the doors hung. And onto the doors. I'm going to be using these two, which I picked up earlier on in the year. It came off a laser, I believe. You still see that somebody has stuck the trims on instead of using the right clips. And there are a few wee areas of rust that I just want to check out before I confirm that I'm using them. Namely, around the mirror hole, I can see a wee bit of filler. And along the bottom, there's evidence of bubbling. So I just want to make sure that this is just slight bubbling and not actually structural issues. And we'll go from there. And on this door, you can see at the bottom corner, which has seen better days, somebody has been trying to screw a trim on as well and missed the first time. And up in this corner, you can see also. So anyway, cut to a fast forward scene, and whenever you come back, we'll have exposed all the rust. Well, that's good. Alright then, you can see the hole on this side hasn't got that much bigger, but along the bottom edge there's quite a lot of tiny pinholes and surface rust, which inevitably would bubble through again, I think. So I'll just have to weigh up. I have another couple of doors. I think I have to weigh up how bad they are before I start tackling this. Otherwise it's going to be a replacement of all of this. I can see there's filler starting to crack here too. I'm going to replace the whole bottom edge of this door and over here as well. Well, that's that decided. This door is for the scrap heap, I do believe. It's just not worth the time or effort to get it right. Pity, because from the outset it looked like a decent door with just some bubbling along the bottom, but you just never know what you're going to get really when you start into these things. I'll try the driver's door, which needs stripped, but I'm going to presume if the same man that's done that has been anywhere near the other door, it will be something similar. Okay, before I even start to strip this door, I think I'm going to hit it with the angle grinder and see just how bad it is before I waste any more time on it. So here we go. Alright, this door seems to have escaped the filler master. Still not great. But at least there's, apart from this wee bit here, along the bottom edge, there's not that much filler in it. However, up here, for some reason, there seems to be quite a thick step up of filler here. So, until I sand a bit more, I'm not going to know why. See, there's 3 holes here, so unless they were trying to fit some sort of a different aftermarket wing mirror or something, I don't know, but I'll work it out. Okay, so it looks like the door has been hit at some point. It's been dented, and that's why it's full of filler here. So hopefully that's easy enough sorted. So I think I might start to strip this door and see if it actually possibly using it. But first of all, I need to clear up the aftermath. So overall, not horrendous. going to need a bit set in there. There's a couple of pinholes here, here. In fact, let's see if we're replacing the whole bottom of that door. The hole here, I need to get rid of those because they're no longer needed. And another hole here, and a hole here, and here. Simple. Okay then, that's all of the filler and paint off the door. Along the bottom edge, as you already saw, is pretty good. Up here, pretty good. But what on earth has the fella hit up here? I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's not great. Still, it's not rust. I believe it's straightenable, and I'm going to give it a go. So, on to the cutting and grinding. Okay, so the only way I think I'm going to be able to get to this deeper bit is if I run the slitting disc up it, because it's stretched, obviously, this here. So no matter how much I try and push it up, it's still going to be rippled. So I think if I was to run the slitting disc up this, peel the two sides up and weld it closed, it might just work. Okay, as you see, we've run a slitting disc up that, so the next step is going to be to try and get that pressed out and weld it closed. Right, I think that's going to work okay. Time to go and get the welder. That's the worst of the hole filled up. Let me get it ground back, finished, and see how it looks. Not horrendous. Skim of filler should be okay, really. Okay, it's time to start the rest of the rust repairs on the bottoms of the door. So I'm going to try and cut out a patch here, and then it's rotted right through. There's going to be some fingers through it, so I'll have to do a bit on the far side as well. get a bit of cardboard, make a bit of a template, drill some holes in it to plug weld to, rinse and repeat. This in, clean this back, give the door a bit of a coat of weld through primer to try and protect it slightly. Get it welded in. Okay, that's the patch made. I have drilled a couple of holes to weld through to the inner skin and clamped it well into place, so I'm gonna get welding. That's that side of the door. Bit better looking. Another patch in. Solid metal, no rust. Time to finish off with this one, and that'll do me for the night. Appreciate you all hanging in for this long, if you still even are. I know it was a very boring video and it was mainly just a door, but good progress. I wouldn't have normally spent the time on this, but the fact that I spent 100 quid on a pair of them, I don't really want it to go straight down into the scrap pile. So, recap, patch set in here, job done. Patch set in here, job done. In here, slit the damage, built it back up. It's now flush ready for a wee skim of filler. I'm gonna wait to do the holes there until I see which wing mirror holes are actually correct. And yeah, overall, one solid door ready for hanging. At least test hanging. So yeah, thank you very much for staying tuned, and like, subscribe, share, you know the score. Thank you.